Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to create a badge to celebrate course completion. It's a great way to reward and recognize your students' achievements. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is dive down into our course data. We have two types of points that indicate course progress: lesson or lecture completed and course completed. Additionally, we have the course name as a tag. These data points will help us create a personalized badge for our students. Now, let's navigate to the badge page and create a new badge. Follow along as we go through the steps. Here, you'll find a variety of badges to choose from. To keep things simple for now, let's select the Reach an Amount badge. First, give your badge a name that reflects its purpose or achievement. Next, choose a badge picture that visually represents the accomplishment or goal associated with the badge. Then select time period, if this is a recurring badge or if it only can be completed once. Now select Ever, meaning it can only be completed once. Specify the starting date for the badge. This is when the badge will become available for participants to earn. Now, let's talk about the badge's visibility and availability. First, select whether the badge is active or not. An active badge can be earned, while an inactive badge is temporarily disabled. Next, choose whether the badge should be published or not. A published badge is visible to students, while an unpublished badge remains hidden as a surprise. Next, let's move on to the Point Input tab and define the criteria for completing this badge. First, locate the value field and enter the value 1. This means that a student needs to accumulate a total of 1 point to complete this badge. Next, activate the Use Filter switch. This will allow us to specify additional conditions for earning the badge. Now, let's select the point type Course Completed from the drop-down menu. On the same row, you'll find an option to select the desired course tag. Choose the specific course that students must complete to earn this badge. Now, let's head over to the Players tab, where you have control over who can win the badge. You can decide whether the badge is open to all or if you prefer to make the badge exclusive to certain team members. Lastly, let's move on to the Rewards section. Here, you can determine how much earning the badge is worth in terms of coins. By setting the reward value, you can provide an incentive for participants to strive for badge completion. Thank you for watching. If you need any assistance, don't hesitate to mail to support@pointagram.com.